Hey there, budget buddies. If you're diving into the world of YNAB, that's you need a budget. You know it's a game changer for tracking your finances. But let's face it, reconciling your accounts on the mobile app can feel a bit tricky at first. Don't worry. I'm here to walk you through it step by step, so you can keep your budget spot on and stress-free. First things first, make sure you've got the YNAB app open on your phone. Log in with your credentials, and once you're in, head over to the Accounts section. This is where all your bank accounts, credit cards, and cash holdings are listed. Tap on the specific account you want to reconcile. Maybe it's your checking account that needs a quick checkup. Now, look for the Reconcile button. It's usually right there in the account details, often represented by a little balance icon or a menu option. Tap it, and you'll see a screen prompting you to enter your current bank balance. This is crucial. Double-check your bank's app or statement to get the exact figure, then input it into YNAB. Why? Because this helps match up your app's records with what's actually in your account. Next up, YNAB will show you a list of transactions that need to be reviewed. Go through them one by one. For each transaction, check if it matches what's in your bank statement. If everything lines up, approve it. If something's off, like a missing or extra charge, make a note to investigate later. This step is all about accuracy, so take your time. Once you've gone through all the transactions, hit the Reconcile button again to finalize. YNAB will confirm if your account is balanced. If it is, great job, you're all set. If not, it might highlight discrepancies, which could mean an unreconciled transaction or a data entry error. Reconciling regularly, like once a month, keeps your budget reliable and helps you spot issues early. It's that simple, and it only takes a few minutes. Give it a try next time you log in, and watch how it transforms your financial peace of mind. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more money managing tips. See you next time.